Everyone, now I am going to discuss about the novel The Old Man and the Sea, written by an American novelist Ernest Hemingway. This novel is being prescribed for BSc 4th semester as well as for BCA 4th semester. This novel, The Old Man and the Sea, which was written by the American novelist Ernest Hemingway, it was published in the year 1952. And even for this novel, he got the Pulitzer Prize also. In this novel, we come across the main character, the protagonist, Santiago, who is an aged fisherman. Now I will begin the novel directly here. The novel, it tells the story of an aged fisherman, Santiago. Since 84 days, he was unable to catch a single fish. He was unable to catch a single fish. He had an apprentice named Manolin, who was a small boy. His name was Manolin. This Santiago, an aged fisherman, though he was not able to catch a single fish since 84 days, but still this apprentice, his helper, Manolin, was with him only. Though Manolin parents asked him to quit, asked him to leave that Santiago to go and join with another fisherman, but still Manolin, so he was living with this Santiago only. This Santiago, so daily used to go into the Cuban Sea and used to try to catch a fish. Due to his unlucky, he was not able to catch a single fish since 84 days. So daily night he used to get back from the sea, and this Manolin used to get him a coffee, and by next day used to get him a newspapers and used to help him. And daily night this Santiago used to tell some stories, some legendary stories about the baseball players and all these things to the Manolin. And once this Santiago told Manolin that by tomorrow I will catch a fish. As per that, by tomorrow he went into the deep sea, in the Cuban Sea, and finally he caught a fish. And that was an huge fish. The name of that fish was marlin, a marlin fish. He never thought that he will catch such a big, huge fish. And since morning till afternoon, he was not able to catch, but in the afternoon, he caught a Manolin fish. He caught a marlin fish. After catching that marlin fish, he took 3 days to get that marlin fish to the seashore. So while getting that marlin fish to the seashore, so he had to face a number of sharks. And those sharks came and tried to attack the marlin fish. They tried to eat the marlin fish. Though this Santiago, with the help of his harper, he tried to kill the sharks, but at last he lost his harper also. And finally, he prepared one more harper and tried to kill the shark fish, but he was not able to do so. And at last, he came to the seashore and he fought a lot since 3 days. And finally, he came to the seashore, and that marlin fish was completely eaten away by the sharks. And the only left was that skeleton. When he comes to the seashore, Santiago, he was so much tired and he got back to his house. And the other fishermen felt that, so this man had fought with that marlin, huge fish, and they took and measured. It was a huge, very big fish. But his unlucky was that he was not able to bring that properly, because those sharks had already eaten that. So after getting back to the house, so once again, Manolin, his apprentice, after seeing that, he assured him. So both they sat together and decided to finally catch once again, and they remembered their olden days also, in their younger days also. This is the story which we can say, The Old Man and the Sea.